Yay! Today is 23. 23. 23 of our advent calendars. Let's dig in and see what we have today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You really never know what's going to come out of the Arteza. You really don't. Okay, yarn. I think I know what tomorrow's is going to be then. This long skinny one here. Probably a crochet hook maybe. It is acrylic yarn. It is 0.7 ounces. It's 20 grams of white acrylic Arteza yarn. Okay. Oh, well, we'll see. We'll see if they give us a project to go with that tomorrow. Alright, and Daphne, we're almost done. We're almost done, everybody. Oh, boo-hoo. We're almost done. I am gonna miss seeing you guys every day. We can always chat live on Tuesday nights here on Tuesday Night Live. Tea and Talk Live. Oh, these are cute. They are four. They are 4 Christmas ornaments. They are trees with little bears. Cute. Very pretty. Very pretty. Okay. And let's see. Diamond Painting Creations. Let's see. Oh. Aha. Alright. I got a roll of washi tape. One more box, and it's a big one. Got a roll of Christmas striped washi tape. Useful. Now, let's look at add more zest. Ooh, it's something big. What? Oh! Big clamps. Really nice clamps. Very nice clamps. Nice and strong. They will hold your diamond painting down to the side to a light box, even if it's wider at one end and smaller at the other. Sometimes I have a problem with the little clamps that look like they're on, that you could put on to reseal a chip bag or something like that, that they pop off. They sort of sneak off the end, but these won't. These are nice. Really nice clamps. Beautiful. Very, very useful. Thank you. Sure. Oh, we have one more. Let's not forget Deutschland. 23. Oh, tomorrow's our last day. Painting finish. This is a diamond painting sealer. It is also written out in English. Yes! Very nice. It will become transparent. Leave it to dry 30 minutes before cure. Okay. Oop! And a little brush applicator. Quick drying, multi-purpose, safe, non-toxic, permanent hold, and shine effect. There you go. Ooh, I've got to test this. Yep, I got to test this with a few of the others coming up in the new year. Yep, I have some diamond painting sealers to test for you in the new year. So today we have sealer and clamps and washi tape and little bear tree ornaments and some acrylic yarn. That's a nice day. A very nice day. Thank you for hanging in with me. We've got one more day to go, and then don't forget, tomorrow morning, on the 24th, early in the morning, the Christmas premieres start. So that if you are not feeling, if you're in need of company for any reason whatsoever, jump in on the Christmas premieres playlist. It'll take you from hour to hour to hour, and somebody will most likely be in chat with you at the same time. This will be my first year. I'm on Christmas Eve night to early morning, Christmas morning. It's 12 midnight to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's when I'll be on, and I'll be on to chat with you if you're around at that time too. So I will see you then. Bye, Divas.